Sad news tonight. Suicides have spiked in rural Georgia. According to state health officials, suicide rates also continue to climb in certain minority communities all across the country right now.
Yeah, we've reported about several well-known people recently taking their own lives. Fox 5's Brian Hill spoke with a woman who lost her husband to suicide about the help that's out there for people who are struggling.
Dr. Lena Clark tells me it took her about 5 or 6 years to accept losing her husband unexpectedly by suicide in 2008. A few years later, she started an organization that provides 24-hour assistance to anyone struggling with their mental health.
When it comes to the mind, there are no instructions.
A picture-perfect family. Dr. Lena Clark, her husband, and 2 children. But behind her husband's smile, Clark says he was in pain.
A lot of times people, again, because of what they're going through, they're tired of the pain, the internal pain, because this is pain that you can't just take medication for and expect it to go away.
In the first few weeks of this year, we've already told you of several well-known people taking their own lives. Former Miss USA Chesley Christ, actress Regina King's son Ian Alexander Jr., and locally, MARTA CEO Jeffrey Parker.
Mood swings, behavior changes in your behavior, isolation. And you will see those changes if there's a problem with the person. Anger, bouts of anger.
According to the CDC and other reports, suicides were down overall in the United States in 2019 and 2020. However, this report notes that in Black and Asian communities, suicide rates continued to climb.
There's no resource. They don't have money to go and see a psychiatrist or a psychologist, and not just that, but a therapist or a counselor. Do they have insurance? And so what they do is they just lock up.
Here at home, from 2019 to 2020, suicides in rural parts of Georgia increased by more than 8%. That's according to a recent presentation by the Department of Behavioral Health.
COVID, of course, the cost of living has gone to a higher rate. It's just a lot. A lot of people are losing their jobs, and so they go into a state of depression. They feel like, okay, this is the only way out.
If you or someone you know is feeling distressed, we have provided a list of available resources on our website, fox5atlanta.com, including details about Clark's organization. Brian Hill, Fox 5 News.
Brian, thanks.